Foundations. Let's create foundation wall from our L01 view. Double click the scroll to get full size. And the wall we are going to create will use a structural wall. So go to structure, go to wall, structural, and then from properties window, let's choose something to start with, and that will be, let's say, this one, foundation 300 millimeters concrete. Left click. The first thing I would like to do is edit type and duplicate, and let's call this, let's change for 500. So let's call this Kia foundation 500 millimeters concrete. Okay, and then structural material, we are going to change it here, and that will be exactly the same material as we used for our columns. So the next thing I would like to do, construction, go to the structure, edit, left click, and then change this thickness for 500, and material, let's change it for Kia concrete. If you don't see it by default, this material didn't come, just type in here Kia, and what you will get is just this material. Select it, okay. So Kia concrete 500 thickness, okay, and then okay. And let's use this line tool to create the create the wall, and let's use it depth to top of footing. So depth, top of footing, wall center line, chain, offset 0, and the same here. You can check base constraint should be top of footing, base offset 0, top constraint up to level 1, top offset 0. What that means, we'll create a wall that is between top of footing and L01. Okay, let's start it. Zoom in, select the middle of the column or intersection of the grids, left click, then come here, left click, go to here, left click, and finish it here, left click. Okay, let's see what we did in 3D. So default 3D view. If you have those icons above, you can change it and you can have it here. You have to just press this black small arrow, left click, and you have an option show above the ribbon, okay, or you can show below the ribbon. Now let's go to 3D, and this is what we have it now. I'm going to change the style, so I'm going to use shaded, and also I'm going to turn off the analytical part. You see the green line here, that represents the analytical model, which in Revit structure we have it by default in 3D view in here. So if we go here, we have only analytical part, but what I would like to do in the 3D default view, I would like to get rid of that or hide it. So how to do it? If you type VV to open visibility graphics window, or you can go to view and then visibility graphics. Okay, so in this view, so whatever I change here, it will apply only for this view, which is 3D view. What I would like to do here, I would like to go to analytical model categories and switch this off. So show analytical model categories in this view is not visible anymore. I'll go press OK, and now I have only our walls and columns. Okay,